course, we're doing another home improvement job. As you can see right here, I've already installed one of these, so I wanted to make sure that what I'm bringing you is official. But I'm gonna show you how to turn this light here into this. And the first thing we're gonna need, because it is a recessed light, is a can light. So we're gonna need this recessed light converter kit. You can get it from Westinghouse. I think they come in sets of 3 on Amazon. And then I got these beautiful pendant lights that I found made by Vaxel, which are also on Amazon. So I got 2 more of these to put in. So just stay tuned and please subscribe, share with your friends. All right, so inside this kit, basically, it's gonna look exactly like what the picture does. That's what's nice about when you're doing lighting options. They show you exactly how to do it. So you're gonna separate these 2 metal pieces, right? And you're gonna install this one first, and you're gonna have to put a screw right through this hole right here. You're gonna put a screw through that into the wall one side, and then you gotta put a screw through the wall on that side. Then you'll reattach this piece with these 3 screws to this piece, and that'll give you the brace. Prior to doing that, you just want to screw this one into the light bulb. So once you pull the light bulb out, you're going to screw this one into the light bulb, and then you're going to run those pieces in, and you're done. That's how easy it is to put your lighting converter on. Then you just put this piece in. As you can see, it's got a hole on each side, so that'll slide right over these. Then you turn it so it sticks. This one does the exact same thing. That's it, man. That's how easy the converter is. And then we'll work more on the pendant in a little bit. This is not part of the kit, but I just this little hook here that actually holds the recessed light in. I just zip tie this to one of the. You'll see a little metal thing inside the can light that you can zip tie it to, just to keep it up a little bit higher so that it's not in the way of your recessed converter kit when you put it in. Other than that, it's coming out well. Alright, man, we're halfway there. As you can see, some parts already done. Now we're on to the light. You know, if you look at the instructions, everything is pretty self-explanatory. It tells you the order in which to put each of the different pieces. That way you don't get it halfway done and say, oh my God, I forgot to put the collar on, you know? So we're gonna go ahead and install this light. I'm gonna leave this cardboard and this, styrofoam around it because it's glass until I get it actually installed and hanging, and then I'll take it off. Just as an extra precaution. So what I did was I cut the chain. I wanted this one to sit a little bit higher than the other one does, mainly because I have an arch here. So this is just preference and how I want it to look in front of the house. As far as the wires, you want to twist the wire in and throughout this chain so it's not obvious that there's a wire there. You also you want to put this bracket. This bracket actually comes with a lamp. So you connect this and they give you the screws for it. You connect it right into that other Westinghouse mounting recessed bracket. And as you can see, everything looks perfect. It looks like it actually came this way. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna send these wires inside here and bring them back out and tie them into the white and black, very simple. And then this one here is gonna tie into this ground wire, which is also gonna connect to the green, and we are done. I'm gonna take this off because the Westinghouse one has a ground wire as well. I don't really need it. So I'm just gonna tape that off and I'm gonna tie those wires up, and then I'm gonna push this all the way up to the top. And I already got my collar on here, just like I was telling you before. Just follow the instructions, and this thing's gonna look pretty good. Really quick, this looks disgusting. have a very nice home. That's a very nasty looking light. First thing you gotta do is you have to go over to your fuse box. You need to shut off the power on all the lighting out here. After that, all you're gonna need for this is basically you're gonna need a drill. So you need to have a bit for masonry. You're also gonna need a level, and you're gonna need a screwdriver of some sort. And I just use this to help to get some of the plugs on the inside. You'll see. So I've already started drilling holes. I got 3 of those 4 holes in. The funny thing is this stucco started peeling away, so I don't want to put the hole in the wrong place. So I want to put all 3 of these in, and you can just use your rubber mallet to get them in nice and snug. You don't want it so loose that they just slide right in, because then when you put the screw in, it's just going to spin around. So make sure you don't drill too big of a hole. But you get that in there, you get it nice and flush like that, and it should work out fine. And then once I get all 3 of them in, then I'm gonna use the plate. I'm gonna put the plate on it, and then I'm gonna actually drill that hole with the plate on there. That way I don't have that stucco giving me an issue. So, project is finished. Fairly easy. Takes you about 15 minutes per light, and I love the effect. The best part about it is bugs are not attracted to these as they are the light bulbs. I don't know why, but there's a lot less bulbs, or a lot less bugs that come around. Can't get rid of the frogs, but it's kind of is what it is. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll continue to bring you more videos.